Welcome to this tutorial on how to install Mic Plus. To install Mic 0, first unzip the downloaded installation package. Then locate the setup file and run it as an administrator. The installer may take a few moments to initialize. When the installation wizard appears, click Next to begin. Review the license agreement, accept the terms, and click Next to continue. Model engines, dialogues, and example files are installed by default. The default dialogue language is English, but additional language options are available. Select your preferred language and click Next to continue. Next, select your license type. You can also configure your license after installation if preferred. For this demonstration, select Demo Mode and click Next. Click Install to begin the installation process. This may take several minutes. Once the installation is complete, click Finish to exit the installer. You can now launch Mic Plus in demo mode. That's it! Visit our customer care portal for additional resources and support.